When was the last time you checked on you? Take a deep breath. Now ask yourself gently, when was the last time you truly checked on yourself? Not checking on your partner, not your kids, not your coworkers or friends, but you, your heart, your mind, your body, your soul. We live in a world that glorifies being busy. We chase after deadlines, chase after expectations, chase after approval. And somewhere in the noise, we forget that we are human. We forget to pause. We forget to ask, how am I really doing beneath the smile I wear every day? Today, in the middle of the chaos, I want to invite you to turn inward, to come home to yourself. Because the truth is, you can't pour from an empty cup. Taking care of yourself isn't selfish, it's sacred. Let's walk through 5 powerful steps to check in with yourself and nourish your soul. Step 1. Pause and breathe. Create space for stillness. Find a quiet moment. Turn off the noise. Silence your phone. Close your eyes. And just breathe slowly, deeply. Let your breath be your anchor back to the present moment. This is how you slow down your racing thoughts, enough to hear what your inner world is whispering. Ask, what do I feel right now? What has my soul been trying to tell me? You don't need to fix anything yet. Just notice. Step 2. Scan your emotions and body. Listen to what your body and emotions are carrying. Gently ask yourself, am I tired? Am I holding tension or pain anywhere? What emotions have I been ignoring or numbing? We often carry heavy emotions without realizing it. Stress, grief, resentment, loneliness. Your body always tells the truth. Your emotions are signals, not enemies. Give them permission to exist without judgment. Step 3. Reflect and release. Clear emotional clutter. Grab a journal or speak into a voice note. Let the words flow. Write down everything circling in your heart. Fears, hopes, frustrations, dreams. Let it out. Don't worry about it making sense. This is emotional detox. When you name your feelings, you release their power over you. You might end this step by asking, what can I let go of today that I no longer need to carry? Step 4. Nurture your needs. Give yourself the care you give to others. Ask, what do I need right now? Emotionally, physically, spiritually. Maybe it's rest. Maybe it's healthy food. Maybe it's honest connection or a walk in nature. Then give it to yourself without guilt. Remind yourself that your needs matter too. Step 5. Reconnect with your purpose. Fill yourself with meaning again. Once you've breathed, released, and nourished, realign. Ask, what truly lights my soul on fire? What kind of life do I want to build? Not for anyone else, but for me. Do one small thing that reconnects you to that purpose today. Even a tiny step matters. Your future self will thank you for every moment you choose you. Final conclusion. Coming home to you. Checking on yourself is not a luxury. It is a lifeline. You deserve to be whole. No, not just functional. You deserve to feel safe, loved, and cared for. Won by you. When you consistently check on your soul, your body, your heart, you move from surviving to truly living. And the beautiful thing is, the more you take care of you, the more love you can give to everyone else without losing yourself in the process. So today, choose you, even if it's just for 10 minutes, because you're worth the time, the care, and the love, always.